doesn't seem that too long ago, I put on those brown shoes for the first time and joined our school community over the road in Year 5 at Del Monte. And now this morning I stand before you with much excitement and a few nerves too, as your college captain for 2018 to 2019. Today I'm breaking with tradition and I won't be leaving you with an inspirational quote. Instead, I ask you to look around at your friends, your teachers, colleagues and homeroom members, because right here we have enough inspiration to put our brown and black shoes together to step forward with pride and progress the Santa Sabina legacy. Thank you.